Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about forex trading. How can we trade forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Guys, today's video is about a very new expert advisor, and the product code is BRPR EA. This is specifically for Euro USD, and my FX book link has been shared in the video description itself, and I will share you during the video also. Okay, so it is specifically for Euro USD, and it has a time filter where you can customize whether you want the BRPR EA to trade for you in the London session, US session, European session, or whatever. So according to your trading schedule, and you can optimize your results accordingly. Okay, so it has an option that you can use the option of two-side averaging, whether you can choose one way or the two-way averaging. With the two-way averaging, like using the preset files that we provide according to this, like along with this, this will ensure that the EA can effectively manage trades on both sides, even in changing market trends. So it doesn't mean that like it will take the equal trades of buy and sell both. No. Okay, so according to the trend, it will take the trades, but when the trend changes, then accordingly, based on the situation, it will take the trade on the opposite side as well. Okay, and risk compound average is there, like where the percentage of balance that you can manage according to the customization, like whatever you want to do with this. Okay, with the risk percentage based on your account balance or growth, if you want to customize this, then this is also an option. The key recommendation that the minimum account balance we recommend is 1000 or more. However, we traded with just $500, but we used to trade with the lower account balance sometimes just to check the feasibility. We have already tested this expert advisor for a couple of months earlier, but yes, still we recommend $1000 for to keeping it at a little bit lower risk. Okay, for the expert advisor detail, this BRPR EA details, you can please join my Telegram channel, that is Create Wealth dpntfx, and /30 you will navigate directly to the product details. And for all other EA details, you can just simply join my Create Wealth dpntfx on Telegram. Okay, and included like these, and I used to provide some free expert advisors sometimes, like that we used to create for the free community. This is not exactly into that, but yes, to get the information of all information on expert advisors, whether paid or free, or many other information that I would like to share, please join my Telegram channel, that is dpntfx trading info. Okay, so let's go to the trading result now. So guys, here is the account. We started with 500 US dollar. Okay, and 501 US dollar in fact. And please ignore these three trades, these two trades actually, these three trades in fact, right? Because I was not aware that I was trading it on this account. So from here, it is all automated. Okay, so so let's start from here. So the initial lot balance, we started with 0.01 lot size with 500 US dollar, 501 US dollar. And in most of the cases, like you will see that the lot size has not increased by more than 0.02 or maybe 0.03, I guess. We have experienced so much of volatility, so much of fluctuation in the forex market in last 2 months. So this year has completed like 8 weeks so far. We have already tested it for a couple of months earlier. Then we started creating the video for this particular account in a very fresh account. Okay, so please keep a track on the lot size as well. Again, as I said that that we started trading on this account with just $500, but still we recommend 1000 US dollar, like if you want to keep I mean the risk a little comparatively low. Okay, because we used to do feasibility testing sometime when we trade with the similar kind of setting with lower account balance, just to see like how the EA performance and sustain within certain conditions and the certain market situations. However, I will show you the MyFX book results of this expert advisor as well. Okay, so with a deposit of 501 in 8 weeks we made a profit of 424.66, and of course there are some running trades right now. Let me just show you those as well. These are the running trades right now, around 59.73 in the drawdown. Actually this is like I'm creating this video on Saturday, so definitely there are a lot of swap and spread and all those stuff during the weekend, but still let's go to the MyFX book page now. Guys, this is the MyFX book page. Okay, you can see we started from August 21st of August, and the last trading day was 13th of October, and today is Saturday 14th, so there is no trade. Okay, so this week we made around 7.73%, this month we made around 17.25%, this year we made around 84.76% in 8 weeks. These are the running trades. However, actually the broker is showing around minus 59, here it is showing minus 45. This is just because of the spread and other stuff, so please ignore that. So monthly gain around 17.52% in August. In September it's 34%. In October it's 17.25% so far. Okay, so here we can see at monthly at an average of 40.79% it has generated so far, and the maximum drawdown has went up to 29.77%, and this is on $501. Okay, if you increase it to 1000, then probably you can just half it down, I mean, right? So it could be like around 20%, 20.5%. I mean, not like 20.5, like around that kind of monthly return, and drawdown you can half, just like around 15% or something. Okay, so guys, with these results I am not recommending you to trade forex, because trading forex is very risky. I am just sharing you my experience, my results based on the expert advisors that that we found consistent in our testing, trading, and hence we are trading with those and providing you statistics in front of you. Trading with the expert advisor is up to you. It is not something that we are recommending. Okay, you can see the other statistics over here as well. I will provide you the MyFX book link page in the video description. You can go through that, and in case if you have any question, please contact me via Telegram. I will or either email, but better you can join the Telegram channel that I have already mentioned in the video description, and I have already shown you earlier. You can join for this particular expert advisor, you can go to this page. Otherwise, please join this for all the expert advisor information, including the BRPR EA. Okay, and for all other information, please join my Telegram channel, dpntfx trading info. Guys, thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to talk to you soon with more expert advisor, with new expert advisors in the near future. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well as these Telegram channels, and keep us motivated. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much. Bye.